We have a triangle that has a height of 12 inches and an area of 25.2 square inches. We need to find the base. Well, the original formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we're going to go the opposite of that. We've got our area is 25.2 inches squared. We don't know our base, but we do have our height is 12 inches. And we're going to do inverse operations and work our way back. And I'll do those inverse operations in a different color. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of the divide by 2. I'm going to get rid of that by multiplying by 2 on both sides. Those are going to cancel out. And on this side, I'm going to have 50.4 inches squared is going to be equal to B times 12 inches. Now I need to figure out what B is, so I need to get rid of the divide or the multiply by 12, and I'm going to do the inverse of that, which is divide by 12, again on both sides. These are going to cancel each other out. I've got 50.4 divided by 12. 12 goes into 54 times, that's going to be 48. Subtract, I get a 2. I'm going to bring down that 4. 12 goes into 24 2 times. The inches, one of these inches is going to cancel out on the inches squared, and the inches squared on the bottom is going to cancel out entirely. So I know that my base is equal to 4.2 inches.